My wife, Nikki, is the bravest person that I will ever know. She spent the last year of her life publicly fighting for me and our two daughters and doing everything she could to make sure that we were protected. We moved to Indiana to be closer to Nikki's family shortly after she was diagnosed with stage 4 ovarian cancer, the so-called Religious Freedom Restoration Act, Senate Bill 101. This bill, as originally written, permitted any business, organization, or individual to deny LGBT families basic critical services, simply based on religious objection. When Nikki needed hospice care in the last hours of her life, we didn't have time to research whether or not the hospice company would respect our family. Nikki was running out of time, and she needed care as quickly as possible. What if in our most vulnerable time of need, they had been allowed and protected to turn us away? All Nikki wanted was to find dignity and compassion in the eyes of our state. Lambda Legal was instrumental in pushing for the national public outcry against Senate Bill 101. They worked behind the scenes, reaching out to Indiana companies, including Salesforce, to help shape the company's very public condemnation of the Religious Freedom Restoration Act bill. And when Governor Pence still went ahead and signed the bill, it was Lambda Legal that came up with a solution to amend the bill. So yes, I'm very proud to be a part of Lambda Legal and part of this moment in history. And I'm very grateful that the LGBT community has Lambda Legal as its champion. There is still so much work ahead of us, regardless of whether or not we get a victory at the Supreme Court. Homophobia and bigotry do not rest, and neither can we. So Karen, I want to say to you, I do. I take the vow to help Lambda Legal fight for and protect the freedoms for all of our families for many generations to come.